natuklasan doon. Like for example, yung November 2022, at that time wala naman pong confidential fund pero may in-issue po silang acknowledgement receipt. Meron din pong December 2023. So, ang sabi po nila na ito daw ay clerical error lang, typo error. Pero how do you explain 158 acknowledgement receipt na wala po sa mga buwan na yon? So, ang theory po namin, parang lumabas po yung itong mga acknowledgement receipt nung nilabasan po sila ng AOM o yung Audit Observation Memo ng COA. So because of that, nataranta po sila to justify yung liquidation nila. Nag-produce sila ng maraming acknowledgement receipt, but because of the volume, they have to justify 125 million. May 60,000, may 40,000, may 400,000, iba-ibang amount. So, iba-ibang date ang involved. Kaya siguro, na-overlook na nila. Kaya ganito po ang nangyari. At hindi lang po yung 125 because this involves 612.5 million total. 500 million sa Office of the Vice President and more than 100 million sa DepEd.